Could the events surrounding K2 Airways Flight 1732 resemble earlier aviation tragedies? History offers several remarkable examples worth examining. In each case, investigators discovered how instrument problems or spatial disorientation gradually developed before pilots ultimately lost control of their aircraft.
On January 1st, 2007, during daylight, Adam Air Flight 574 encountered an inertial reference system malfunction during cruise. Both pilots focused on troubleshooting conflicting navigation information, while the aircraft slowly entered an unnoticed bank. The bank angle increased, developing into a steep spiral dive, before Boeing 737-400 exceeded structural limits and broke apart. The aircraft crashed into the Makassar Strait, killing all 102 people on board. On June 1st, 2009, during night, Air France Flight 447 entered severe weather over the Atlantic Ocean. Ice crystals blocked the pitot tubes, causing unreliable airspeed indications and automatically disconnecting the autopilot. Conflicting flight information led to inappropriate control inputs, and Airbus A330 entered a prolonged aerodynamic stall. Despite remaining structurally intact, the aircraft never recovered and crashed into the Atlantic Ocean, killing all 228 people on board. On October 2nd, 1996, at night, Aeroperu Flight 603 departed Lima after routine maintenance unknowingly left tape covering the static ports. Almost immediately, altitude, airspeed, and vertical speed indications became unreliable, while continuous warnings filled the cockpit. Unable to identify which instruments could be trusted, the crew struggled desperately to determine the aircraft's actual position over the Pacific Ocean. Despite repeated recovery attempts, Boeing 757 continued descending through darkness before impacting the Pacific Ocean. On January 3rd, 2004, before dawn, Flash Airlines Flight 604 departed Sharm el-Sheikh over the dark Red Sea. With almost no external visual references, the aircraft gradually entered a gentle right bank shortly after departure. The captain became spatially disoriented. The increasing bank angle went unnoticed, until recovery was no longer possible. Boeing 737-300 plunged into the Red Sea only minutes after takeoff, killing all 148 people aboard.
These accidents demonstrate how instrument failures and spatial disorientation have appeared together before under very different operational circumstances. Whether those historical sequences resemble K2 Airways Flight 1732 remains entirely for investigators and viewers to consider.